Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by pressing the home button or by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called the display, and once you find it, tap on it, and here scroll down and find the option called screen timeout. Once you find it, tap on it, of course. And right here we have three durations. We have 15 seconds, 30 seconds and 1 minute. Select the one you like by tapping on it. I selected 15 seconds, so my screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch my buttons or any buttons or the screen on the watch for 15 seconds, the screen should turn off to save the battery, like that. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.